Oh, I did have another one from Chevy. He says, "How can I master reading and understanding the logs? Some of that some of that stuff looks like a foreign language." That is a great question. So the SANS Institute has an incredible breakdown of that. And you know what? That's a really good question. Maybe that's something I dive into, because I have books. Oh man. I actually have books that break all that stuff down. And I used to have them like right here, but it looks like my wife cleaned up my area here, which is good and bad. But let me see if I can find it online. It's sans.org has a really, really good breakdown of how to read logs. It has a really good breakdown of how to read logs, and I'm looking for org courses. Let me see. I'm looking for sans.org's breakdown of. Oh yeah. Okay, thanks. So sans.org has stuff like this. And this book right here has an awesome breakdown. Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Has a really good breakdown of how to read logs. Let me see which one. Which one was really good? Traffic analysis. Security information traffic analysis. Here's one. This one right here is pretty good. Let me see if I can find it online. You might be able to get this for free online. I don't think they want this to be free online, but I'm sure you can find this for free online somewhere. SANS. It's called SANS, and this is an old version of it. 503.5. 503.5. Let me see if I can find a free network monitoring, threat detection in depth. This is the course right here. And actually, let me share my other screen here. Sorry, apologize, YouTube. I'm out here just talking to myself. Yeah, SEC 503 network monitoring and threat. And it looks like they updated it, because mine had traffic analysis as well. So this is different. This 503 one has a really good breakdown, but there's another one. If you can find this for free online, like this one right here, this is not free. This is going to be like $1 million. $1 million per person per course. Let's see. Yeah, it's not free. But I bet you could find this book. You can find people teaching this probably on YouTube. I would look for this right here. SEC 503. If you're interested, SEC 503, network monitoring threat detection in depth. And then there's another one. Let me see if I can find TCP/IP detection. Does this have good? This goes a little bit too deep. Yeah, this is a little bit too deep. Let me see. There's another one. There's another one called nope, that's not it. Oh, maybe it's okay, this might 503.2. Let me see if I can find that one. This looks like it merged everything. I guess they changed it. It looks like they changed it to merge everything together. Hold on. There's SANS 503.2.